As a Huntsville resident, you may know Redstone Arsenal often conducts tests that emit loud boom sounds, like the one done today and another planned for tomorrow. And sometimes it can be startling for both you and your pet. Our Sedona Meadows speaks with a local veterinarian for tips to make sure your pet stays calm and safe during these tests.
As we hear loud booms coming from the arsenal, it can oftentimes spook our pets. Now, I spoke with a local veterinarian who shares that it can affect dogs, it can affect cats like my cat Tony, and it can affect livestock. So we share some tips to ensure you can keep your pets safe and happy during this time.
It can make them really anxious and nervous. We do have a lot of anxiety going around, especially humans and pets. So if your pets are prone to it, especially around fireworks, it's the same thing as a boom with that.
Dr. Blake DeWitt, associate veterinarian with Chase Animal Hospital, says animals of all kinds can get spooked by unfamiliar loud noises. If you know your dog gets anxious,
you'll watch for panting. Sometimes they'll go hide. Sometimes they'll get destructive and try and escape. So destroy furniture or scratch the door.
She says some animals tend to hide when they're nervous.
Horses, even some of your livestock can be affected by this. So it's just kind of like disaster preparedness.
That preparedness can look like providing a safe place for your animal with access to food, water, and for your cat, a litter box.
Do some white noise just like you would a baby. You can play that throughout the house, or music.
Anxiety-reducing medications may also be an option.
If he's trying to tear out of the house or tear out of the fence, talk to your vet. Get him on some good drugs before this happens.
If you do get vet-approved medication, Dr. DeWitt recommends starting it a day early if you know a loud boom is planned. And keeping your furry friend's microchip and tag up to date with personal information will help locate them if they run away.
Double leash them, put a harness and a collar on, or even a slip lead, because at least they can't get away. Try your best, but limit your outside time if they're super anxious, because they will hear that boom and they will run.
In Huntsville, with my cat Tony, Sedona Meadows, Fox 54 News.